Hello friends, I hope you are doing great with your family and friends. In this video we are going to diagnose this car. This car having a issue, the first and second gear is not working, so we're going to open it. This is a Toyota Etios Leva 2014 model, and we just start. For that we just need to open this console. For that we need to undo this 10 mil, okay, and for after that we just a minute. I just open this console. For these there's some locks out here, and we just push it like this from this side, push it upwards, and as you can see, push it towards you. Just push it upwards because there is a groove. This is a sink hole, counter sink hole, so we need to I just show you what causes not to open. In this car, this panel is the bigger one, this one is shorter. In order to open it, we need to grab it like this and move it like this. And we need to remove this one too. Just a minute. This is just a elastic type. And we just pull the knob, gear knob, and we just pull this out. Just a minute.